Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Teacher's Printout. In this video, I will share 10 examples of simple present tense in sentences. So, let's get into the video. She eats breakfast every morning. They play football on weekends. He reads a book before bed. The store opens at 10 a.m. Bees produce honey. The moon revolves around the earth. I enjoy playing the piano. We travel to the mountains every summer. You draw very well. Snow melts in spring. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more important updates. Thanks for watching.